Structuralism, the first school of thought in psychology. Everything we see around us has a structure. The plant has its own structure: leaves, stems, roots, and whatnot. The universe has its own structure of performing things, of carrying out its daily activities. Every matter is made up of molecules, and molecules are made up of atoms. Atom is further divided into various components. What is structuralism in psychology? Structuralism in psychology talks about the various components of mind. Edward Titchener and William Wundt were the people who brought this concept into the study of psychology. They said that our mind can be divided into various components, and these components should be studied in detail. Like everything is made up of structure, from matter, from human body, he believed that human mind is also made up of various components, and it is important for us to study those components. Structuralists use the method of introspection to analyze and identify the various components of human mind. Edward Titchener engaged people into self-introspection to understand the components of their own minds. The various components of mind talks about conscious, subconscious, unconscious part of our minds. There are other various parts of our mind, like Freud described it as ego, ID, and superego. So structuralists basically believe that we should study psychology by breaking the mind into its various components and study in detail about the components. These components also include our feelings, emotions, motivation. Structuralism is the most short-lived concept, but it is a concept because of which other concepts came into existence. It is because of structuralism that other psychologists could come up with their new ideas, contradict this concept, and give a new direction to psychology.